Today's top tip. I'm Annie Fontaine and I'm a life coach, and we're going to be talking about gut health. Are you suffering from anxiety or depression? Did you know that your microbiome influences who we are more than our DNA? So the microbiome is a collection of microorganisms connected to our immune system. It affects brain health and it's connected to our digestion. It's made up of 1,000 different organisms and 1,000 different species of bacteria. And when the bacterial diversity in our microbiome is lacking, that can contribute to disease. So it's pretty serious. You know, the strength of your immune system is dependent on good bacteria in your gut, and you can do something about that. Your microbiome plays a vital role in digesting the food you eat and your absorption or not of nutrients. Do you have IBS, irritable bowel syndrome? Leaky gut is a leaky brain. Do you have digestive issues, brain fog? Your gut actually talks to your brain and you can't separate the two. So if you fix your gut and investigate this subject, that could be the answer to fixing your memory loss, your low moods, your heightened anxiety. I hope that's helped. I look forward to seeing you tomorrow with my new tip. Bye for now.